My first name is Matheus, my last name is Sanita Lima. I am a PhD candidate in biology here at Western. I'm in my third year right now, and I'm originally from Brazil. So I came to Western to do my PhD precisely because of the lab I'm in, precisely because of the research my supervisor does, and precisely because of my supervisor. I did my master's degree here as well, and I just felt like I had a great experience here in the past, so I wanted to have that again. I study organelle genomics, which means that I study how the genomes of mitochondria and chloroplast evolve over time, and I'm particularly interested in a portion of those genomes which is called the non-coding DNA. So what the program here in biology really provides the students with, and I would say provide me with, for us to thrive, really is a collegial environment in which you can really walk up to anybody and ask for advice, both regarding your own project, so that would be some more technical questions, but also career-wise, and even I would say personal-wise. I've returned to Western because I was seeking that collegiality, that supportive environment, which we really have here, particularly in the program of biology. My experience as a teaching assistant here at Western has really provided me with the opportunity to sharpen several skills, I would say. So communication skills, because you're always in direct contact with the students. Certainly project management skills, because you need to, follow not only the course structure, but also need to organize your time. And I want to say mentorship, right? Because the students really come up to you and they oftentimes ask questions about not only the course, but also career development questions, for instance. So being a teaching assistant, in my opinion, has been fundamental for my education and continuing progress in my career. The best thing about being a Western graduate student, not including the research of course, really is the possibility for extracurricular engagement in extracurricular activities. So here on campus we have the opportunity to engage at the departmental level in different venues, but also at campus-wide. So you can engage with the Senate, for instance, the University Senate, or you can be very active with our Society of Graduate Students. And all of those extracurricular activities, they will really equip you with skills that you often don't learn in the lab, but they are fundamental for the job market out there. The best piece of advice I have for those thinking about applying for the program really is connecting with students who are in the program right now and with faculty members. So asking questions. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't think there are right or wrong questions. Those you will know, depending on where you are in your career, in your education, you will know what questions you want to ask, but don't be afraid of asking, and don't be afraid of communicating and connecting before even applying for the program. As I mentioned before, particularly our program here, the biology department, is very collegial, very open, very kind, I would say. So students, postdocs, PIs, they're always very happy to answer questions over email. They are happy to, I would say, set up Zoom calls and e-meeting calls. So, and when thinking about questions to be asked, I want to say, again, it depends on where you are in your career, but things like, what's your everyday activities like, or what's the employability of your degree, things like that. So don't be afraid of connecting beforehand.